How do you find that dream job that you would die for? Everyone in their 20s should know this, so I'm not gonna waste your time. You need to know exactly 3 things. Why is it important that you love your career? How do you find the career that you love? And what are the 5 key questions you need to ask yourself to finally know the specific job that you would die for? We'll answer these questions, and after, I have a free gift for you that will help you on your path. So, why is it important that you love your career? You spend most of your waking hours working, including preparation and job searching. Loving your job motivates you, increasing productivity and making you an asset to your team. You simply feel more valuable. And a fulfilling career can lead to better health and happiness, while a lack of fulfillment can cause stress and negatively impact your life. So, how do you find the career that you love? Evaluate your skills, write them down, learn new ones as needed to switch careers. Seek advice from mentors, friends, and career experts to explore your options. Gain experience through internships, entry-level jobs, or short-term roles to learn about different industries, work environments, and people. Remain open-minded and flexible, allowing for changes and mistakes in your career path. Build and maintain a network to support your career changes and opportunities. So, what are the 5 key questions that we've all been waiting for that you need to ask yourself to finally know the specific job that you would die for? First, interests. What excites you? A career that develops your interests will likely be very fulfilling. Second, skills. What skills do you have? Starting a career where you already have skills gives you an advantage. Why not use that? Third, work style. What work environment suits you? Consider your preferred schedule and whether you like working independently or with others. Fourth, values. Does the career align with your ethics? A job matching your values will be more satisfying for you. Fifth, compensation. What salary do you need? Understand the pay range in different fields to meet your lifestyle needs. I promised you something. Finding your dream job can be overwhelming, and you may want some support on your path. To help you with that, I have a free gift for you, but you have to be quick because spots are limited. You find the link in the description to book a short call with me so we can discuss your current situation between friends. Maybe I can assist you on your path. This call is free, by the way, obviously. And to find out the simple secret of being happier, click here. Cheers.